This is what I started with. It was taken for part 1, check description if you haven't already seen it. After the foils were released, I used a pillowcase to filter as it was much faster for the liquid to go through. I kept washing the plastic and pouring into the filter until no more foils was coming from the plastic. I saved the acid to be used again for my next video. There was still a lot of impurities, so refining was hard. I burned the pillowcase. I put the ashes into copper chloride to remove as much copper as possible, then washed off all the acid in the filter. I put the filter into hydrochloric acid and added some sodium nitrate, then put on heat for around 25 minutes for it to dissolve the gold to make it more pure and to separate the filter paper. The fumes are highly toxic, so wear a mask. Make sure you have something covering the top of it so fumes can't escape as much. I used part of an old shirt to filter, but filter paper is better but is slower. I filtered the acid. The acid contains the gold, so I washed the filter with water to remove all the acid what's stuck to it. I waited to cool, then added sulfamic acid to remove excess sodium nitrate. Don't be stupid like me, wear gloves. I added too much, so filtered again. I put sodium metabisulfite to water, which will drop the gold out of the solution. The gold that dropped. I was going to decant the liquid, but then realized it was black and very fine, so it floated. I realized there must be impurities. I had to filter because it was too fine to decant. I repeated the refining process to purify my gold further. The gold that dropped still didn't look right. I don't have footage, but I decided to put the gold into HCl and heat on the hot plate to remove any impurity that seems to be getting though the SMB drop. As you can see, the acid isn't clear, so it did dissolve some impurities. I refined for the last time. The color this time is so much better. The final drop. I poured boiling water in and decanted it 4 times so that the powder was clean of acid. When my pot is empty it weighs 5.67 grams. The weight of the pot and my gold is 6.23 grams. That means we got 0.56 grams of gold. Not anywhere near as much as I wanted, so I'll go the waste to see if I lost any and keep you updated. There was a lot of plastic though. Thank you for watching. I am also bringing out some yield videos soon which will be very interesting, so be sure to subscribe and press the bell next to the subscribe button to get notified when I upload. Feel free to comment any video ideas you have. Thank you.